Welcome to another episode of Marquez Fishing. We got a very exciting video for you guys. We're going to be targeting lake trout all day, and hopefully we can get on some cutthroat too as well. We'll see what happens. But I'm getting all the gear ready. I got the Garmin, the Yeti Go Box, and then the rod holder. We got Alex with us. He got here way earlier than us, so he went to go pick out a spot. Priscilla's with us too. Hello, Priscilla. Anything you want to say to the camera? Say it now or stay silent forever.
Stay tuned to catch some fish.
What kind of fish are we going for?
We're gonna be going for some lake trout.
And hopefully some cutthroat trout.
Our first lake trout of the season.
Yeah, we haven't fished for lake trout this whole season. We're basically waiting for Granby to freeze, but not no more. So I'm gonna get all the gear ready, and we'll catch you guys on the ice. What up, Alex?
You know what's going on.
Every time you're in this freaking channel, you got a new snowmobile.
Got an upgrade every time.
Yeah. If you guys are wondering what Alex does for a living, I'm just kidding.
I'm a mechanic.
He's a mechanic, but damn, Alex.
Get it ready.
Did you guys get all set up?
We just got there.
Yeah. I got all my stuff already ready.
You want
Oh, he's about to bite you, dude. Is that a fish up above?
No, that's him.
Oh, what's
He's
that?
all over me down there. You see him?
Yeah. Priscilla got a bite. Alex missed him. You got a bite, baby?
No, I said I'm about to. Let's set up.
All right, we just got all set up. This rod is for cutthroat trout, if there's any. I got a pop-up up there with some sucker meat on it, a big chunk, just like the belly of the sucker fish. And then we got Priscilla in here. We're gonna fish in this hut for a little bit. We got Alex over there. And oh, you got a fish on you? He tapped it. No bite.
Get him!
Wait, record me with my phone. On that Wonder Bread.
I told you. That's what I originally wanted.
Finally. We've been switching baits and trying to figure them out, and nothing seemed to work until I switched to this Wonder Bread. Small little lake trout. First lake trout of the season. Damn, he was not going anywhere. Look. I set the hook so hard on him.
On the bottom?
Yeah, right off the bottom.
What? You're gonna keep it?
Yeah.
Why?
Should we?
No, we have fish at home
All right.
that we haven't eaten.
All right, let's let him go.
Victor,
Peace
all
out.
quick
Peace
with
out,
it.
buddy. Adios. Damn, Prissy. Don't call me out on video.
Because we have fish at home. And we haven't eaten it yet.
The rainbow trout?
You want one of those Wonder Bread?
Yeah, let me have some. Do they get bigger than that or no?
Here?
No, like.
Oh no.
Not yet. Oh, he might be coming back.
What makes you say that?
Because I can see a mark. I don't know if that's you. This guy could see a little tiny mark beside you.
Did he take up a lot of the screen?
Yeah. It's the biggest one we've seen. Like 3 times the size of your jig right there.
No way.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
shouldn't have said anything.
Prissy just saw a big fish.
And it was swimming slow.
Yep. That's a big one. Slow rider.
There was a guy on a bike, baby?
Yeah. An electric bike. Damn, dude.
On a glow Sierra slammer.
Glow Sierra Slammer. Sick, dude. Been finicky. Damn. Oh yeah, that glow Sierra Slam. So they want that glow in the dark.
And I had a piece of sucker.
Yeah. Are you gonna take some home?
I'm about to take that home.
Oh yeah, dude. That's sick, dude. Need to get on them.
Yeah, you gotta do it now because I just saw another big one, baby. Not as big, but another big one.
Glow Sierra Slammer. Oh, there he is. There he is. I'm stuck.
Hold on.
Oh, he's right on you. Oh, there's one on me. Oh no. Damn, that one's dominating. He's aggressive.
Get it. Nice, baby.
Woo!
That's a big one.
I got one on the
Wonder Bread.
Wonder Bread.
Hold on, I think I'm gonna
All right, let's double up, baby. Make him chase. Make him chase.
Is it big?
Dude, it's pretty. No, it's decent. But there's two fish on the screen right now. I think Prisi's about to catch one.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Crow.
Oh, yeah. These are hit.
Yeah. As soon as Alex leaves, huh? We start catching. All right, we're gonna let this puppy go. He's gorgeous. Ooh, feisty. Hell yeah.
Nice job, baby.
Damn, Alex is coming already. Alex, you should have taken longer. As soon as you left, we started catching. I caught with a nice one. You want me to set you up, babe?
Yeah, I think I should, really.
Yeah, babe. Big one?
It looks neat. Oh, look, way bigger, dude. This is hella boy.
Don't scare me, dude.
Woo! I scared myself.
You're scary, dude. How many fish is that? That's 3 fish?
Yeah.
There's one on your side too. There's another one on my side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, there's 3 on you. Oh my God, missed another bite.
What do you have? The Wonder Bread?
The Wonder Bread.
God damn, I do have to switch. I think this jig is too big.
Right off the bottom.
Do you want me to record with my phone?
Biggest ones yet.
Oh!
Woohoo! Nice. Hell yeah, guys.
Okay, there's 2 fish on me.
On that Wonder Bread. There's so many fish. So many fish swimming around. So many lake trout. Come on, Prisi.
Alright, let me get a picture of it.
2.25 Wonder Bread. Alright, we're gonna let this puppy go. Ooh. Damn. You had a bite?
Yeah. I did exactly what you said.
And you felt tension. They like to pick it up right off the bottom.
Oh, come on.
He took it with him. Did you see that?
That was a big one, baby.
I know. Like I just had it on the floor.
Oh yeah.
And I saw him hella swimming around mine. So I set the hook. Oh, I just lost a big fish, you guys. Probably the same size as the other big one. Oh. I just had it chilling on the floor. But I'm gonna set this up. It's a 6-inch brownish tube jig.
Are you gonna put it all the way at the bottom?
Yeah, definitely.
Damn, it looks so cool.
It does, huh?
I'm pissed about ground beef.
What?
It should be frozen already.
Oh shit.
God damn.
I know, dude. God, it should be frozen, huh?
It should be frozen already.
It's been too warm?
The tournament's at the end of this month and there's the lake is still open.
No, this is a big one. This is a big one, Prissy. He's taking drag. Can you record it with my phone, you think?
Yeah, where is it?
Back there. Oh yeah. He's bigger. The biggest so far. On the Wonder Bread. Alright, we're about to see him. Whoa! I took your line. No, I took your line.
Oh.
Yay!
Damn, I got so excited.
Damn. Did you see what I did? I know you saw what I did.
What?
I threw it right in the bottom.
So he would pick it up?
So you can pick it up, yeah. On that Wonder Bread. Woo!
Nice, baby.
Yay!
Let me get a picture.
That was nice. You got to like a head on
You know it.
there. With what?
The Wonder Bread.
Really?
On that Wonder Bread. Alright, release?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
job.
Did you measure him?
No, but he was like 25, 26. He's skinny though.
He is skinny. That's weird.
What a good feeling. I think you got tangled with this.
Me?
No?
No.
No. And this one's juicy. Ahí vienen dos. Here comes two. Two. Is it two? Is it two or more?
Imagine what you would do.
Whoa! Missed a bite, baby. A nice bite. Oh my god. Right off the bottom.
Why am I not getting any bites, babe?
You need to jig it, baby.
I am.
Mira. Fish on!
You little...
Alright, another fish. Ooh! On that Wonder Bread. Alright, there's like 5 fish down there. So I'm gonna get this down as fast as possible. But there it is.
I think I'm gonna get a bite.
Oh, I lost him. I had him. Damn, right off the floor, baby. I told you, that fish was aggressive. Ah! They're biting it right off the floor. Like all the way at the bottom. And once you feel a little tension, you gotta set the hook. Oh, I guess I should check my bait. Dang.
Let me check mine too.
I'm so good at fishing. bit me right off the floor. Well, right off the floor, man. Oh, he bit me again right off the floor, baby. Are you right on the floor? Mm-hmm. Push it up a little bit so you can see you. And then...
Oh, I got a bite.
He's getting it right off the floor. Oh, mother. Is he still around? Mm-hmm. No. Get it, baby. We're packing everything up because there's a storm coming in. Oh, please, he's about to get a bite. There's a storm coming in, so we're trying to head out now. Let's see if you can see the storm. Yep. Storm is here. Alright, we're headed out. The storm is here. And we don't want to get caught in the storm, so we're going to go ahead and call it. And we got a 3-hour drive, so I'll catch you guys on the next episode. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. We saved you guys the boring part. We just loaded everything up. Alex, thanks for letting us use your snowmobile, dude.
You already know, brother.
Catch you guys on the next one, dude.
Have a good one, guys.
Catch you on the next one.
Oh man, I'm freaking tired.